Hey friends, the most important day of the year is getting closer, and I'm already looking forward to it. How about you? Without further ado, here's a brief introduction to the SQ-SW3 spot welder. Upon arrival, it consists of one large box and three smaller boxes. Each box contains accessories for spot welders. One box for the main unit of SQ-SW3. One box for power supply unit, rated at 5.6 volt and 15 ampere. The last one comes with a variety of assembly tools. 500mm, 25 square copper wire, SWP25 split handle, a foot pedal, 19 volt, 2 ampere charger. The spot welder features an all-metal aluminum alloy body for rapid heat dissipation, equipped with superfarad energy storage capacitors, offering high energy capacity, extended lifespan, and reliable safety. Equipped with a high-definition color LCD screen, supporting multilingual menus, including Chinese, English, and Russian. The spot welder supports multiple charging methods, such as fast charging, slow charging, and battery charging. Rapidly replenishes power, enabling continuous operation without interruption, significantly enhancing the stability of continuous spot welding. Features high-quality low-resistance MOSFETs with a maximum operating current of 2,500 ampere. Suitable for spot welding applications involving nickel coatings, is less than or equal to 0.5 mm. Pure nickel is less than or equal to 0.3 mm, and copper sheets is less than or equal to 0.2 mm. It also permits spot welding of two types of combinations. Features solder joint counting, temperature detection, LED indicators, firmware upgrades, and more. A wide range of tool accessories featuring the following tools: USB cable, 18,650 battery fixture, 0.1*8 mm pure nickel, 5 meters, file, 1.5 mm hexagon screwdriver, 6 screws of M6*8, 4.0 mm cross screwdriver, 10 mm hexagon open wrench, 335 mm welding pin, audio cable, 2.0 mm hexagon screwdriver, WP30 integrated handle, split handle, and integrated handle. Both feature 25 square millimeters ultra-flexible, multi-strand nickel-plated copper wire internally, offering a soft touch. Anodized for durability, they deliver low resistance, high current capacity, and exceptional longevity. Aluminum oxide copper brazing pins are hard and durable, offering a long service life. The copper on the welding pin will not melt, so it will not stick to the nickel strip during spot welding. Double head design improves utilization. Automatic and manual modes can be triggered by changing the device settings and using the foot pedal. These tools and accessories ensure the assembly of equipment and the replacement of equipment parts. Technology shapes the future, and SEQURE embraces innovation. Should you have any suggestions or feedback regarding our products, please feel free to contact us. We will respond promptly and continue to improve.